Okay students, here x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then what is x plus 1 by x value? What is x square plus 1 by x square value? And what is x to the power of 999 plus 1 by x power 999 value? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, చాలా సింపుల్గా చూద్దాం. It is written as x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. The first one, x plus 1 by x equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Second one, x square plus 1 by x square equal to 1 whole square plus 1 by 1 whole square equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. The last one, x power 999 plus 1 by x power 999 equal to, here also same, 1 power 999 plus 1 by 1 whole power 999 equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, here ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి ఏదైనా కూడా సేమ్ అదే వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 1 వాల్యూ. దీన్నే మనం ఈ పొజిషన్లోకి ఎట్లా తీసుకురావాలో చూద్దాం మనం. ఓకే ఓకే ఆపమ్మా.